In this video, I will show you how to fix the mobile header in WordPress. First, what we notice is the logo is too large on mobile and it pushes the menu down. We can't fix this properly in Elementor, so we need to use the WordPress Customizer. Go to your website, click Customize, then open the Header Mobile menu settings. Here, select a separate logo for mobile. Click Select Image, choose your logo, and click Choose Image. Now set the logo maximum height to 35 pixels. This will reduce the logo size and fix the layout issue. Click Publish, then go back and refresh the mobile preview. You will see the logo is now properly resized and the menu is aligned correctly. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel